Hey everybody, this is Mr. Graybo. I just wanted to touch base with you guys a little bit about what's going on this first week of distance learning. Um, First thing I want you to do is, as always, we click on the weekly plan. Okay. So we got no school Monday through Wednesday, Thursday. During class, we're going to do some review of the Lewis dot structure and some of the learning targets. That will be during class, during the Zoom time. Okay, some of you I may have on Thursday, some of you I'll have on Friday. Depends on when you have me, when we'll do that. The things that you'll be responsible for submitting by Friday evening would be the chemistry learning targets, number 1 through 9. Now you should have already turned in number 1 through 4. You will need to finish the rest of those and get those turned in. The other thing, the last thing you want to do is, once you feel good about the Lewis dot structure, you've watched the notes, you've done the learning targets and all the practice, you want to take that homework check. Okay? So those are really the only couple things that we need to get done this week. I'm going to go back to Schoology. You'll see up towards the top, you'll see the Earth Science Zoom link. That's the link that you want to use to get into your Zoom class. Make sure that you're there on time and expect to be there for the full time. Some of the time will be used for work time. Some of it I'll be leading you through some examples, and some of the time will be maybe small groups working on some problems with each other. Okay? If you need to go back to anything, okay, like if you have some missing assignments, go back into that chemistry folder, open up the assignments, and find what you're missing. Okay? Some of you have not used this periodic table. Some of you are using just a random periodic table from Google. I would recommend using this one just because it's a little bit simpler. It's got the groups 1 through 8. And sometimes when you go into Google and you download one, you'll see 18 groups, okay? That's more complicated than we need it. We're just using the 8 groups. So either use this one or use one of those paper copies that I gave you in class. And when you get to class, make sure that you have either that paper copy ready or you have this in Notability so you can quickly look up group numbers. Okay? I will be available. If you just check the schedule, I'm available most of the time through the day when there's no classes. So just write me a message and we can Zoom for a couple minutes and you get some of those questions answered. Okay? If you need anything, just let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in your Zoom session. See you later.